I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. So here I got the MI Linux device. It is a Realme X7 Max smartphone and it is a IQ7 device and it is a OnePlus 9R. So a few days back I did compare the touch sampling rate between other smartphones as well, as you can see here friends. So in this video one mistake I did was I did not add the touch sampling rate applications into the game enhancement option. So that is what the reason why I did experience very less touch sampling rate issues in that video. But right now I did add this kind of touch sampling rate applications into the game enhancement features. For example, in the Mi11X device we do have the built-in game turbo, which will definitely enhance the gaming experience. So as you can see friends, right now I did add into the Mi11X. So few of the manufacturer companies they are trying to do is that they are not enabling the full touch sampling rate in all the applications. Only while playing the games you can use that kind of high touch sampling rate. That is the reason why in those previous tests I did experience some kind of low FPS touch sampling rate in the phones. So for example, in the IQ7 and the OnePlus 9R, not all the applications can use full touch sampling rate. Only you need to enable. So you need to go to the ultra game mode and you need to add this application as the ultra game as a game. As you can see friends, that is what I did right now. Only in the games you can experience full touch sampling rate. So that is what I did right now. I did add all the phones into the game enhancement features. As you can clearly see friends, all the four smartphones they do have different kind of gaming enhancement features right now, as you can clearly see here. So let's see which phone will be having the better touch sampling rate. So before starting the video, the main important thing is that I need to use all the smartphones with the same kind of refresh rate. As you can see friends, 120Hz, 120Hz, 120Hz and 120Hz. All the phones I'm trying to use the same refresh rate because this will definitely manipulate the results. So that is the reason I'm trying to show you in the beginning itself. Let me try to quickly open the Multitouch. This is the touch sampling rate application which I'm trying to test right now. So let's start first with the Mi11X device. So it is the Mi11X smartphone. The Mi11X, the company did claim the Mi11X can reach up to 360 Hz touch sampling rate. Let's test whether this is possible or not in this phone. So right now let me try to do the testing. As you can see friends, right now we are getting about 480 as well, as you can see here. As you can see friends, 480 you are getting the touch sampling rate. So you're not getting more touch sampling rate. You need to do the minus thing. So which is you need to minus 480 minus 120 is the refresh rate, as you can see. So now you'll be getting the remaining score as the touch sampling rate. So every time you need to do the minus from the refresh rate, as you can see friends. So yes, the Mi11X is capable of 360 Hz touch sampling rate without any kind of issues. So now you can easily use the touch sampling rate. As you can see friends, let me try to use with the 2 fingers. You can do that, as you can see, easily with 5 fingers as well, I think so. Let me try to do that. You're getting about 400 Hz, close to 400 Hz with the 5 fingers, as you can see. So yes, the Mi11X is capable of having the 360 Hz successfully without any problem. So now let's check the phone, the Realme X7 Max. So what is happening with the Realme X7 Max? Let's see. So as I said, I did add into the game enhancement feature as well. As you can see right now I'm getting only about 360. That's it, not much. As you can see friends, definitely 360. The Realme X7 Max did have the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So that is what the Realme they did claim. So in the official website, if you want, you can check that. So 360 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X7 Max, and now you are getting only 360. So you need to do the math by minusing. So let me try to do the minus. So 360 minus 120. So you are getting 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X7 Max, as you can clearly see friends. So this is not what the company is claiming. The company is claiming that you can get up to 360 Hz, but that's not the case, as you can see here. So if you want, even I'll try to show you the real-time refresh rate as well. I'm not trying to pause the video, as you can see. Refresh rate I did not decrease at all. I'm trying to use 120 Hz only. And you can see clearly the proof. You're not getting the higher refresh rate. Definitely that's a big drawback in the Realme X7 Max right now. So let's move to the another phone, which is the IQ7 device, as you can see friends. So IQ7 has got the 300 Hz touch sampling rate. And that is what the IQ people they are claiming. So let's see whether that's possible or not right now. Let me do the testing right now. So as you can see friends, you're getting close to 420. So 416, 489, as you can see, slightly, you can see here clearly. And with 5 fingers I'm trying to do the test. 420 you're getting, as you can see friends, with 5 fingers, as you can see clearly. Sometimes a little bit kind of low with the 5 fingers. So yes, the IQ7 has got 420. Now let's do the math by calculating. So 420 minus 120 refresh rate. So 300 Hz touch sampling rate you are getting in the IQ7 device. That's perfectly alright, no problem. So next phone is a OnePlus 9R device. The OnePlus 9R has got the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So let's see whether that's possible or not right now. So right now I'm getting about 360. As you can see friends, 360 Hz touch sampling rate. There is no issues in this 360. As you can see clearly. So now let me try to quickly do the math and show you what will happen with the 360. So 360 minus 120, so 240 Hz. It's exactly what the company is claiming. So right now in this test, what we got to know is that the three smartphones Mi11X and IQ7 and the OnePlus 9R, they are exactly as it is what the company is claiming. So even though it has got 240 Hz, that's no problem. It's exactly accurate what the company advertises. So same thing not happening with the Realme X7 Max. Right now Realme X7 Max, I'm not getting the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. So the 360 Hz is a advertised touch sampling rate for the Realme X7 Max. But let's move to the next application. So in this application we'll get to know more results. So in this application we'll be able to see which has got the better touch sampling rate and response screen as well. That is what I'm trying to see right now. So let me try to start with the Mi11X device by moving my finger a little bit kind of slowly, not fast, slowly I'm trying to do. As you can see friends, I'm trying to do it very slowly. It's really in the straight line. Let me try to do the same thing in the Realme X7 Max as well. I'm trying to do really slowly. And next is IQ7 device. Very slowly I'm trying to do, as you can see here. And in the finally OnePlus 9R. As you can see friends. So all the phones perform really great in terms of the slow movement. So it got detected really great. So now let me try to do a little bit kind of faster. As you can see friends, in this kind of little bit kind of fast movement, one thing you can observe if I try to bring it all the phones closely, in the Mi11X device it looks really kind of really smooth in the straight line in the margins. As you can see, you cannot find any kind of circles around this line. That's the thing. So the touch sampling rate is really good in the Mi11X device, whereas the Realme X7 Max, you can see some kind of circles as well. As you can see friends, little bit but not much. This is because this is only medium speed I'm trying to move, and the IQ7 little bit, and in the OnePlus 9R, as you can see friends, slightly you can see the circles as well. And now let me try to move a little bit kind of fast. So let's see what will happen when I try to move a little bit kind of faster. And this is what happening in the Mi11X device, faster. As you can see friends, faster. As you can see. So now you can compare this kind of line with all the three smartphones. So now you will be able to judge which phone can recognize higher touches. So higher first position goes to the Mi11X device, because obviously friends, you can clearly see the result in this Mi11X smartphone. So where number of touches recognized was highest right now, as you can clearly see. And the Realme X7 Max, as you can clearly see, Realme X7 Max doesn't recognize much touches. So next is the IQ7 device. It's also kind of okay, but not great as the Mi11X device in terms of the touch sampling rate. The IQ7 has got the 1000 Hz instant touch sampling rate. I'm not sure when that will be useful, maybe while playing games, I think so, while shooting. So right now the OnePlus 9R has got, as you can see, 240 Hz. This is a quick comparison friends in terms of the touch sampling rate. In case if you want me to compare with any other smartphone, so make sure to comment below definitely. And one thing, the final conclusion is that all the three companies, they're exactly getting what the company is claiming, except this Realme X7 Max right now. I'm not sure, maybe with the future updates they can solve. I'm not sure when it's gonna happen, but this is a fact and this is a reality. Maybe I'll try to compare with the Realme's other smartphones which I'm having, what their problem is actually, because I did not test this kind of test before. I'll try to test in the Realme X1 Pro, Realme X2 Pro as well, doing this kind of testing. Definitely I'll do that kind of test very soon. So this is a quick comparison friends between all of these smartphones. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth comparisons. And also don't forget to check the playlist for the epic comparison videos, so which will be really interesting, and as you can see, all the results. So try to check the playlist for more details. And just now I did upload a video on the display comparison, so make sure to check this video friends in case if you like it. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.